Hey everybody, this is Mike from Nerdian, and this is a quick little tutorial on Google Chrome tab groups. So let's just jump right into it.
Okay, real quick, what is Chrome Tab Groups? Tab Groups is a simple tool to help manage and organize your Chrome tabs. So here you can see I have set up some fake tabs here in Chrome. I've set up 3 for work, 3 for personal, and 3 for social. The first thing you want to do is right click on your first tab here and go down and select Add Tab to New Group. First thing I'm going to do is give this group a color. I'm going to color it red and call it work. So here's my work group. Now I can go right here to the next tab, right click and select Add Tab to Group Work. Or as you can see with this other work tab, I'm just going to actually kind of slide it right in there, and now it becomes part of that tab group. All right, on to the personal. Add to tab group. I'm going to make a new group. I'm going to select red, and then I'm going to call this one personal. And then again, I'm going to just kind of drag that one in there, or I could just right click it and add to group personal. And then finally, my little group of social tabs, I'm going to go right here, add to tab group, new group, select a color, make it orange, social. And then just like before, I'm going to grab my tabs and kind of slide them in there. All right, now you can see I have 3 groups of tabs in my Chrome browser. Now that we've set up our tab groups, what can we do with them? So you can do things like drag a whole group around in your tabs, or you can grab the whole group and drag it out and turn it into a new window. And if you want to bring them back together, just grab that tab again, slide it into your original browser. I'm going to take my work one and put it back over here. And then, as you can see, all of our tabs are back together again.
All right, that's it for this little tutorial, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.